Planting Seeds of Positivity, a Psychonaut's Guide to Using Affirmations. Are you feeling pulled by others' opinions and ideas of who they want you to be? Is this causing struggle for your identity? Are you getting triggered easily? Does it seem like you're constantly going one step forward, 3 steps back? Are you ready to release anger, resentment, sadness, grief, and shame? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you also know when you are ready to sift through and release for good the emotional baggage you've been carrying. You know when you are ready to find forgiveness and peace. If you are here reading this, you've likely been seeking natural therapies and professional knowledge to help you redirect your experiences towards self-clarity and more positive direction, where you notice you are making life progress. Ready to stop being confused about your unhappiness and gain clarity to take charge of your destiny? Ready to change sabotaging thoughts that impair your life? Ready to cultivate the courage to leave behind anything that doesn't serve who you are now? Do you envision claiming your truth and finding life purpose? Ready to become authentic and true to you? Ready to be free? Can you envision joy, love, and faith in your life? Great. Now that you sense positive change is coming, you may be wondering what you have to do to get this robust mental and physical health. Sure, you can develop positive habits, but return back to your old patterns after a month. But if you are ready to commit to a stress-free and healthy, balanced life, to live fully, and this resonates with you, then continuing reading the rest of this article is a no-brainer. But I warn you, positive change, growth, and elemental results may occur. Start your elemental growth journey now. An affirmation is really anything you say or think. There are both positive and negative types of affirmations. As a child, you may have been told by a teacher or parent that you lacked the ability to do something, that you were unlucky or clumsy. These statements can stay with us in the conscious or unconscious mind, and we can reinforce these negative thoughts and images from past things throughout our lives. Reinforcing these statements don't create good experiences for us. To help identify and stomp out these types of negative affirmations, or ANTs, automatic negative thoughts, that can bombard our mind, we replace them with new thoughts and images that are positive and stated in the present tense. We have the power to retrain our thinking and speaking. We can develop positive patterns if we want to change our lives. Stating them clearly have helped thousands of people make significant changes in their lives. When willpower alone isn't enough to reach the finish line or a specific goal, affirmations hold the key to unlocking the law of attraction and manifesting your deepest desires. Successful people utilize the power of affirmations. Affirmations are reminders to your unconscious mind to stay focused on your goals and to come up with solutions to challenges and obstacles that might be in your way. Affirmations are an ancient practice used all over the world by people who speak to a higher spirit. In yoga, mantras are like medicine for the soul. Yogis suggest we select a word or series of words to repeat in the form of a mantra. When we do this, we are affirming to ourselves and allowing the meaning of the mantra to seep below the surface, into our subconscious. This practice of allowing is helping to shift our negative habits and patterns into positive ones. Below are the top 5 tips to develop and use these mantras that work for you, allies to move you from the negative thought affirmation patterns into positively stated affirmations. Number 1, make your ANT list of what you've always thought of as your negative qualities and thoughts. Things such as, I'm broke, it's hard to lose weight, I'm never going to meet somebody I can love, or I can never catch a break. Identify where they stem from in your history and release it. It will not serve you. Your personal release ritual may vary. However, some great examples include burning the list you wrote, rewriting each ANT as a positive affirmation, or transmuting the negative energy into art. Number 2, begin listening to your own affirmation soundtrack or purchase some that resonate with you. Do this until you have the habit down, until you're comfortable listening and repeating the changes you wish to manifest. When writing your affirmations, include your horoscope, personality tests, virtues you admire, desires and goals you wish to attain. Also write I am statements, which describe your affirmations in their already completed state. Number 3, write, evaluate, and rewrite affirmations on a regular basis, weekly, monthly, seasonally, and speak them daily. You may feel huge resistance as you do it. Maybe you won't believe a thing, feel discouraged, think it's weird, but keep doing it. Speak them in the mirror before brushing your teeth and then again before bed in the form of gratitude. The more you reinforce your affirmations, the more efficient you will become at planting seeds of positivity. Number 4, experiment with Sanskrit words of empowerment. Sanskrit is considered by some linguists to be the perfect language, as its correct pronunciation invokes a unique vibration in the universe, placing into motion whatever you are trying to manifest through your mantra. Chanting the sound Om brings us into harmonic resonance with the universe. This is a scientific fact. Om is said to vibrate at 432 Hz, which is the natural musical pitch of the universe, as opposed to 440 Hz, which is the frequency of most modern music. Take action and occupy yourself with activities that will increase your happiness or enhance your life, such as cooking nutritious meals, exercising, learning a new skill, or reading. Put forth the energy you want. The universe can only provide you what you are capable of, and if you have big dreams, then you have to work your way up. You will get there. It's in you to accomplish whatever it is you want in life. Our thoughts change as we reprogram our mind and move from the concept of affirmation to a real positive embodiment of what we seek. Our self-talk is programming ourselves for our statements to be true. To see the magic unfold, make sure to take time every day to repeat your affirmations, preferably out loud with high energy and enthusiasm. The best times are early morning and right before you go to bed because it's when you're most susceptible to auto-suggestions. Pay attention to your thoughts so that you can begin to eliminate the ones that no longer serve you, that may have never served you. Affirmations are like seeds planted in soil. Poor soil, poor growth. Rich soil, abundant growth. The more you choose to think thoughts that make you feel good, the quicker the affirmations work. All that we are is the result of what we have thought. The mind is everything. What we think, we become. Buddha. Some elemental growth affirmations. In my own practice, I think about the best opportunities, the best resources, the best outcomes, the best questions, the best plans. In today's culture, most people think about the opposite. They think worst-case scenarios and allow themselves to gossip and share their perspectives even when they are negative. Here are some of my go-to affirmations and the process in which I plant seeds of positivity every day. I am so happy and grateful. I am leveling up more and more each day. I am letting go of all I must to be my best self. I am rising into my highest potential with ease now. I am receiving conscious downloads and experiencing breakthroughs often. I am so happy and grateful. I am watching less TV and doing more home cooking. I am showing my family that nutrition is a priority. I am shopping in an eco-thrifty way because I know that every dollar I spend is a vote for the world I wish to live in, and I am choosing to be self-sustainable. I am so happy and grateful I am respected. I am respecting my body, my spirit, my mind. People are looking to me for guidance. My body is my vessel to work here on this planet and do all the things I am here to do. I am treated and treasured. I am receiving love. I developed each of these affirmations through a process we call the Trinity text. It's a text my clients send me every morning. You can do this too. Just get a journal and track your ants, automatic negative thoughts, your gratitudes, and your action steps for the day. As you check in with yourself, you will uncover the affirmations that you are using already, as well as gain clarity around the affirmations that will serve you best each day. What you think, feel, and believe matters so much because your thoughts create your future. If you've been watching movies, obsessing over media, or having anxiety over someone else's projection of events, then you've been giving all your power away. There's a lot of perspectives on all of this, and passion too. The truth is, what matters most is how we walk through life, how present we are, how we love, how we grow. Think about who you are becoming as you focus more on your health, your happiness, and your dreams for the future. Additional tips for master affirmators. We become manifestors. The fear work. No one likes to talk about their fears. Some are terrified to write them out, and yet those who keep them inside are the same people who ruminate on and project their fears on those they love. Gratitude. You hear it from every manifestor. Be grateful for what you have. This is because gratitude is like pixie dust. You want to sprinkle it on everything so you can create more happy thoughts fast. Get a mala. Yogis use a Buddhist rosary called a mala to pray. A mala is a piece of jewelry made of 108 beads. You can use your mala for prayer, counting affirmations, as a reminder, or to practice your spelling. Before you go off planting your own seeds of positivity, let's celebrate what a dynamic time it is on the planet right now, and what an extraordinary privilege it is to be alive. My mission is to share more transformational work with the collective, and as such, I would like to invite you to connect on another level with the Elemental Growth community every Sunday. Details below. As always, I am sending you much love and positivity on your elemental growth journey. Now go plant some positivity seeds. Ashley Michaud. Sacred Sunday schedule, 11:11 live on Instagram, 12 o'clock live on Odyssey, 5 o'clock live on Odyssey. All times are in Eastern Standard Time.